A Texas Tech law student is targeting university leaders and faculty in a lawsuit. She claims they violated her rights to free speech. In the suit, Ellen Fisher argues her race played a factor in the punishment she received over comments she made after the death of Charlie Kirk in September.
The student suggests she, as the only black student in the class, was singled out for punishment after expressing what faculty called inappropriate viewpoints related to the incident. In the lawsuit, she argues several other people made negative remarks about Kirk's death, but, quote, none were brought before the School of Law Honor Council except for her.
The council recommended a written reprimand in her permanent school record. The lawsuit asked the judge to block the reprimand from her school record and award monetary damages. Fisher is demanding a trial by jury.